Today on CJ Pony Parts, we're going to be checking out a part that's going to help you dress up the underside of your hood. This stainless steel hood latch is going to fit all 2015 to 17 Ford Mustangs and bolt in with the included hardware. Now this is constructed out of a durable stainless steel material and going to mount exactly in the factory location with the included hardware that comes with the kit. We're going to take our factory one, completely remove it, and throw this one in its place, show you guys how it looks, and get it done. Obviously, you have to pop your hood to get access to this. What you're going to do is remove the two 10mm bolts that hold on this factory hood latch. I'm going to do that quickly now. Now grab your brand new stainless steel hood latch. Make sure you put it on the correct way. You'll see that there's marks in the paint where it needs to go. You're going to use the factory nuts that you just pulled off. The stainless steel bolts will be, if you have an aftermarket or carbon fiber hood, they'll thread into the nut certs. So we're just going to get these started. Tighten them down with the 10mm socket that we just used. Stainless steel hood catch is properly installed. Everything's tightened down. You might need to adjust it a little bit depending on your vehicle, but that's it for this install.